In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust time range metric Grafana. If you're exploring metrics and need to focus on a specific window of time, Grafana makes it straightforward. Start by opening your Grafana workspace in a browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and open the drill down area. Inside drill down, switch to the metrics view so you're looking at the data panels where your graphs and queries live. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where Grafana's time controls live. You'll see a label that typically shows your current time zone, often marked as browser time. Click there to confirm you're using the correct time zone for your analysis. Using the browser time zone helps align charts with your local clock, which is especially helpful when correlating events from logs or alerts. Now open the time picker and choose the absolute time range option. This is perfect when you know the exact window you want to analyze, such as during an incident or a planned deployment. Set the from date and time, then set the to date and time. You can use the calendar to pick dates and type in precise times if you need minute level accuracy. When you're happy with your selection, click Apply Time Range. Your panels will refresh and the data will be restricted to that exact window, making it easier to spot trends, anomalies, or gaps. If you don't need a fixed window, you can use the quick time ranges for a faster workflow. Options like last 5 minutes, last 1 hour, last 3 hours, or yesterday are great for routine checks. For example, last 5 minutes is useful during live troubleshooting, last 1 hour or last 3 hours is ideal for short-term overviews, and yesterday helps when you're reviewing what happened during the previous day's operations. Selecting any of these presets updates the dashboard instantly. A few tips to keep your results accurate. Make sure the time zone is set to browser time if you want the charts to match your local clock, especially if your team spans multiple regions. Remember that quick ranges are relative to the current moment, so they move as time passes, while absolute ranges are fixed and repeatable for audits or postmortems. After applying a new time range, scan the charts and legends to confirm the range took effect, then refine again if you need to zoom in or out. That's it. Now you know how to adjust the time range for your metrics in Grafana with confidence.